How are you? Clothes and bags. We'll do jewelries. Okay. So if you want to save your item to ship everything, let me know. Make sure to pay first before we hold your items because, you know. Hi, Dardar! Hello! Can you hear my music? I have a little music right here. Guys. So we have like, you know. Okay. So let's start. We are in 33 viewers. Hello everyone. Welcome to our live selling. You want headbands? I still have headbands. Lul, how is that Afterpay application going? Oh, yeah. Let me check that. Oh my gosh. Let me see. Because Afterpay is in my website as well. So if we are going to do invoice, I'm gonna do invoice in my website. So make sure you send me your email so you will have that. But let me check the Afterpay thingy. Because also one of my friend was telling me, let me know when you have the Afterpay. Which one? Because I think I only have one left for the dark one. See? That's very cute. It's only $10 for one pack. I only have 4 pack. 5. Oh. Yours, Mom? Ah, thank you so much. Ma'am Sarah, yours. Sarah, ay, ano ba yan? Si Kuan B, mag-check out na si Ma'am Roxanne. Kung mauna ni mo si Ma'am Roxanne, better. Wala man lagi ni mo gidala tong kay Kuan. Oh, sige te, kato siya, ha? Ito yung kay, katong Kuan ni mo, gift ni mo kay Kuan. Ano man? Friday naman karon. Ay, Thursday. Same, yes, it's all the same. Yes, it's all the same. Tawa, Bi, oh? Bi. Di ba nakaingani?
Nakuan na lang kang kuan.
Dili siya, lahi man ni siya, Bi. Kay kuan iyang pearl ka ng intact. Tanawa gani. Nice, very nice siya. Hawa. Dili siya pala itong sa kuan nga isa-isa ang pearl. Yes, it's different style per koan, but it's all the same. The 4 things, it's so cutie. Hoy! Thank you so much for the star, guys! Okay, next is, no one wants this one. I'm gonna keep one, because, that's cute. Okay, I have, this one is $25, mga mamshi. This is $25, okay? Let me just show it to you. I have 1 cc left. This is a cap. Cap. Cap, Bino? Cap. This is a cap. Okay, ayan. Alright, for $25. This just arrived the other day. It has tag as well. Okay, I only have 1 cc. So if you want cc, just comment cc. For $25, cc. I only have 1 cc. And then, I have here,
Hindi nakakuhaan eh.
kanang red.
Hindi ko basa.
Kuan na siya. Melanie. Ay, Big. Rox. Big. Ay, si Ma'am Rian. Kay Ma'am Rian na. And then this one is BB. I have BB white, BB classic, and then BB black. Okay? BB white, BB classic, and Nicole. Oh, Nicole ordered. I also have bucket hat. Ano ba yung order ni Ma'am Nicole? Ah, ito. This one. Okay. Alright, so I have bucket hat. Oy, reversible! This is cool! 25 as well. So I have bucket hat that is reversible. So you can wear it like so. Okay, yours, Ma'am Japanese CC. It's reversible, so you can wear it like that, or you can wear it like this. Yun, amaze ka, no? You can wear it like this. Okay? It's like that. It's reversible. I was like, why is this different? Because it's reversible, girl. Ah, okay. The other one is not reversible. Okay, let me see. What's this? The other 3 is reversible. This is weird. Okay, so I have one that is not reversible. Okay. I don't know what mom wants. Because this one is... Okay. Alright, so I have 2 reversible black and 1 reversible pink. It's also $25, mga madam. Yours na to, Ma'am Japanese. Okay, it's also reversible. I love pink. I don't know why. But, you put that away. And put this one. Ayan! Ano ba yan? Wait. Ayan, meron kasi akong kuan. This one is like smaller than this one. This is smaller than this one. So, I don't know what size. Ano ba size to? Inches ba to? Hindi ko kasi alam. May sizes pala to. Wait. I don't know how to size it. Is it 10? Is yours na to, Ma'am Japs? Ma'am Japs. And then this is like, ano ba yan? Parang denim type. And then, this one is like nylon. Ma'am, dyan sa line color yung CC sandals ni mo. Anong CC? Black lang. That is size 38. Black. Ayan, I have BB. Oh, BB. Si BB, it has like this, oh. And then a logo. It has logo. It says Blackberry. Charot. Burberry. Ha? With this. Christine. Christina man na. Christina. Christina. Oh, parehas na sila. Christina. This one is bigger. This one. The hat is bigger kasi maluwang siya sa akin. Okay. This is the Goyard sling bag. Goyard sling bag. Goyard sling bag looks like this. Ayan siya. It has a open pocket like that. Open yeah. Lisa. It has open pocket, non-removable. The sling is non-removable and it's adjustable. Okay? It's adjustable. And then inside it has it looks like this. It comes with a dust bag. And then inside is like that. Alright? And then it has a open pocket right here. It looks like that. The hardware is silver hardware. Silver hardware. For only $45 on sale. Let me know if you want this one. Unsa daw? Tubol. Unsay tubol? Ayan, let me know if you want this one. Just comment Goyard or just comment 45. Okay, for $45, comment 45. For only 45. Unsay tubol? Kasi gitubol. Gitubol ka? Okay, $45. This is for my cousin. I still have one, ate. Ayan, makeup bag. One thing that you're falling in love with me. Okay, makeup bag. I have here Mono. This is $15 makeup bag, ha? $15 makeup bag. $15 makeup bag. I have here Mono. Mono brown. Wala ko silupin, di ba to? Adad to otro? Ito si nani. Ayaw, di ibutang kay mo agi ko. I'm gonna enter the dragon. Ayan siya. So, 1, 2, 3. What do you call that toy? Is that a toy?
Tamagotchi.
Kanang ana siya? Kanana siya dako tapos gamay. Sulod-sulod.
Ay,
$25 for my hat. I have the classic color and black color. Mono brown. Yours, Ma'am Minerva. Okay, so it has 4 pouches in 1. Is that right? 4 pouches in 1. Ma'am, hindi pa. Yun ang waiting ko. Kuan siya. Hindi pa siya dumating ni. Yun yung waiting. I will let you know pag dumating na. Uy, mga mi, yung mga pre-order, hindi sale price ha. When we pre-order, we have to use the retail price. Kasi bakit ko naman isi-sale price? Eh, pre-order yon. Morning, admin! Ma'am Minerva, yours. Minerva. 15. Okay. Okay, next is I have the mirror. I have 2 Damir available. I have 2 Damir available. Damir. Any update sa pre-order ko, Ma'am Shea? Anong pre-order mo, Ma'am Shea? Wait lang, Ma'am Shea. Hindi ko kasi ma-memorize lahat. Pero andun na yun sa pre-order namin nakuan, siguro. Hi, Ma'am Shea JM! How are you? Duty pa. Ay, duty ka pa pala. Ayan, I have Damir. Oh, ayan. Please comment Damir. Comment Damir. Comment Damir. Comment Damir for only $15. $15 for Damir. $15. I'm also good, Ma'am Shea. Bakit ito walang kuan? Wala siyang dust bag. Kuan lang siya. Please comment BB for the BB. For the BB gandang hari. Ang mga cellophane kito adad to be. Cellophane. Pero utda saan na siya? Yours ate BB ate. I have 2 available BB. Okay, so 2 available BB. Just comment BB if you want the BB. Ayan. Very cutie. Ayan siya. And then, 4. BB! Veve. Veve boy. Charot. Okay, Ate Ain. Thank you so much, Ma'am Minerva. You are so cool. Noelani. Hi, how much for BB? Hello, Ma'am Ana. Ma'am Ana, our BB is only $15. $15. I have one. Oh, no more. Mamu, yours for the BB. Thank you, Mamu Barnes. Okay, sold out for the BB. Next is we have reverse. New strap for our watch band. New straps. Ayan siya. Strap ba? Watch strap? Tama naman, di ba? Is it right or is it right? Or is it right? Is it right? Okay, so we have GG classic color. We have GG cherry line B. Okay, we have GG colorfulness. We have GG floral. Let me know what you like and I'll give you what I want. We have GG colorful pink and red. We have GG white. It's $15, Ma'am She. Next, we have GG black. And we do have GG LV Damir. I only have one. And then LV Mono. Okay, for only $15. Let me know, guys, if you like that one. And then, you know. When you know it, you know. Okay, next one. I just want to share it to you. Our GG Floral 45. Okay, GG Floral 45. Parang ang ingay ko. Maingay ba ako? Am I too loud? Loud tayo ko? Ay, sorry. Okay, yours, Ma'am Faylin. Ano yan? Yes, Ma'am J. Marie. Nangyari. Hi, Ma'am Faye. Nangyari, Ma'am Shi. Osquitar Variete Quequere. Ano yun? What is that? I need 38 Sherry line. Pag sign language, Ma'am Shi. I need 38 Sherry line. Okay, let me see. 38. Okay, yours 38, Ma'am Mo. Ma'am Mo, 38 Sherry. Oh my gosh, I don't have kuan. It's ubos na. Okay, Ma'am Mo, yours. Your baby girl is crying. But I need like this, oh. Can you get me? That's the tactic. You have... Huh? Huh? Flex. Okay. Ayan siya, Mi. That is the... Okay, I have here Tom and Jerry. I have Tom. And then I have Jerry for only $6. Tom and Jerry. Tom and Jerry. Just comment Tom or Jerry. Or you can have Tom and Jerry. Hi sis, doesn't speak English so much kaya gusto niyang tulungan ko siya. Oh, which one? I didn't... Sino? Who, Mamshi? Okay, I have shoes. It's Nike. If you want Nike, comment shoes. Okay, I have that. So those are the keychains I have. The Hello Kitty is already sold outing. Nag-sold out. Hi, Ma'am Roxanne. Ma'am Roxanne, my daughter is now sorting the items. Okay, once we already sort this one, I will do your invoice first. Okay, thank you so much. Okay, let's do the monkey dance. Hi, Mom Cat. How are you to find out? Shoes. Yours, Mom. Shoes. Mom Carino. Yours, Mom. She sees shoes for only $6. $6. $6. Dito lang kayo makakakita ng shoes na tag $6. Okay. Hi, Ma'am Cynthia Russell. How are you? Ayan, makita tayo ng phone case na ano na mapunta dito. Hala, si Sis Laura. Nag-call. Live man ko. Baka phone case na lang ang natira dito. Ang binagbe. Okay, next one, I have here a BB bag. Okay, BB bag. BB bag is $50 as well. Hello, Ma'am Marie, Lon, Ma'am Jessica. Hello. Ayan siya, BB bag. Canvas din siya, mga mi, si BB bag. For only $50 si BB bag. Ayan siya. Okay? BB bag, 50. Please comment BB, 50. Canvas material. Ayan siya. Canvas material siya, mi. Okay? BB 50. BB 50. Inside is like this. Okay? It has open pocket right here. I know, zipper pocket right there in the middle, and then there is like right here, something. And then it has a sling. Alright, yours, Mom Rosanna, for the baby. Can I see red jacket hanging? Actually, that is not a jacket. That is a dress. Or, a polo. It's not dress, but it's a polo shirt. Polo shirt. It's a play polo shirt. Thank you so much, Ma'am Marilon. Yes, this is very nice. I like this one. Because it's canvas. It's only $50. Okay? Okay, let me put this under Ma'am Rosanna. Ma'am, she bags wala no. Ano ba yan? Rosanna. You're always welcome, Ma'am Shi. Let me put this here. You are beautiful. And a dream sunlight incredible. Okay, next. Next item. Ikaw na taghatag, be. Ikaw na taghatag, be. Para din ako mutindog. Pira ni mo? Okay, next item is this one. It's a boho. It's a boho bag. Okay, so this is adjustable right here. You can adjust to close this one. And then it has a, what's this? Magnetic lock like that. Magnetic, and then it has like that in here. Okay. Ano ba yun? Hindi makukuha. Ayan. Alright, so it looks like that. And then material, this is like leather. Para siyang lamb na soft. Pero hindi siya masyadong soft. Nabasa mo ba yung PM ko? I-check ko, Ma'am Shiha. Hindi pa kasi nagbabasa. Wait lang, Ma'am Shiha. Ay, i-remove ko muna. Baka may mag-check out dun sa mga bags dito. Thank you.
No. No, welcome.
Yes, Ma'am Shi, okay lang ako. I just need to cough. Wait lang, Ma'am Shi, ha, kasi yung kuan, bulsa is, I don't know, is it kuan? No, wag muna to. Wait lang to, ha. Wait pa to. Wait. I have to check the pocket for this one. Ano ba yan? Inubot na ako lahat. Meron palang Churva X sa pocket. Wait lang. The pocket has something wrong with the the stitch. Something wrong with the stitch. John Santos. I have to check with my supplier for this one. Okay? Next item. Bigay ko, bebe. Honey, magbigay ko. Okay, I think two. I have two available for Marc Jacobs. Thank you, Mom. Nakuan lang ako na, alam mo yung mabulunan ka ng sarili mong laway. Okay, for this MJ, it's a small one. It's like small. Small to, maliit. Hindi to siya same nung isang MJ natin na malalaki. Yung tote bag, nakakuha na ba ako? Parang nakakuha na ako. Okay? Wait, ayusin ko lang siya, ha. Leather to, mga mil. Leather black. Leather black MJ bag. Ganyan siya. Okay? Leather. Ayusin niyo lang to dito kasi sa kwanto sa folding. Wala kasi siyang box. So, it comes with a dust bag only. And then a bag. And then, this one has a sling. Okay, it comes with a sling. Inside is, ano ba to inside? Leather. And then, pocket right here. So, may pocket like that. I hope you can see it. Okay? So, it is, how much is this? 50. Nasa kuan kasi to, hindi na kuan. This one is $55. This is $55. You need tea. Di kasi akong minom ng tea. Feeling ko kasi parang nasusuka ako pag tea. Nahuli ako. Ano na-miss ko? Wala kang na-miss. Kasi itong pinapakita ko is in the website na lang eh. This one, I'm showing it. The one I'm showing it is in the website. Ayan siya. 55 yours, Ma'am Shi. Maliit lang to. Ay, hindi siya talagang kuan. Hindi talaga siya malaki. Ganyan siya. Sakto lang siya ba? Ayan. Ganyan siya. Very cute. Okay, same lang to. Okay, I have two. Oh, Mamu. Did you ask? No. I saw Ma'am Ivana, Ma'am Heidi first. Sorry, and then you said I asked first. I didn't see your comment. Sorry, Ma'am Shi, I didn't see your comment. I saw your comment 55, but I didn't see that you comment after. Or comment first, Heidi. And Ma'am Ivana. I have different one if you like, if you can wait. I have different one. I actually have a lot of bags right now. I don't know why I did order this one. It's a wrong idea. Don't be like me. Be, unya na lagi na. Be, please. Okay, next one is I have this one. It's in small size as well. This is the CD book tote. It's a mini book tote, okay? Let me clear this one first because I don't want someone ordering. This is only $50 for this book tote. I have one each design, huh? I have one each design. Okay, it looks like that. It's a mini book tote. Okay, Mom, Heidi is telling me to give it to you, baby. Give it to you. Okay, Ma'am Hais, bigay ko na lang kay Ma'am Muha. Be, butang na to, be, oh. Isa, kay Heidi ibutang. Oh, dayon ka na bitong niluyuan ng white nga kuan, tanggalan na kay kang ang goyard nga black. Oh. Oh. Dayon ka tong black nga goyard, luyuan ng puti. Kuhaan na kay cancel ni Madam. Okay. Wala? Okay. Next. Okay. Next, I do have here Prada. Prada bag. Okay. Prada bag. I have here color. What color is this? Khaki ba to? Color khaki. Okay, color khaki for this. khaki. Okay, it has silver hardware. And then, it comes with a strap. And this one. I shouldn't be flexing this one kasi meron na dun sa, meron na dun sa website. Ayan siya. It comes with like this. Okay? And then, inside is like so. Ayan siya. Okay? Color khaki available. Color khaki. I still have other colors. Please comment khaki if you want khaki. If you want khaki, please comment khaki. And if you want black, please comment black. And yes, khaki and black available color. Silver hardware. Khaki and black available color. Alright, if you want that, just comment. Just comment. Okay, next item. Next item. Anong butang dili ay, sumbagong yun ako ni si Eliza Bert Labida.
Ano mo?
Wala na naman ako nakikitang ko. Cause one of my clients told me about it. I'm like, talaga? Ganyan pala siya suotin? I don't know. Paano ba yung demonstrate niya sa akin yun eh? How much is this? This is 55? Ay, wala to sa kuan eh. Wait. 55. Kaya pala siya mahal. Sabi ko, bakit naman to 55? Tapos ang liit-liit. I was like thinking, why is this so $55 and small? It's small. I mean, this is like master, but, you know, I'm like, kaya pala. Kaya pala. Because this one was, she said it was in the website. And it's a belt bag. It's actually a belt bag. So I don't know how she did that, but she showed me how. And it should be looking like that. Like that. Wait. It should be looking like that. Like di ko alam eh, paano niya. Basta ginanyan niya yun, yung ganyan. So, it should be looking like that. Okay? So, it's a tote bag instead. So, if you want this one, this is so nice. Comes with all the codes and all of that. Any tote bags? Yung tote bags ko, yung same lang sa kuan. Yung nasa website may mga ganun lang. May ibang color. Pwede belt, pwede rin sling. Yes, pwede siyang belt, pwede din siyang sling. Ganun. For only $55. Kaya pala mahal siya kasi nasa website siya. Okay, fine. Whatever. Whatever. Okay, for this one, $45 for this CC. Ganyan, Ma'am Shi. Grabe. Nanghingi siya ng discount kasi daw, canceled na daw yung item. Like, pwede ba yun? Huwag na lang kayong ganyan. Okay, next. Can I see planner? Ayan. It looks like that. Is that Gigi Blonde belt bag? This one? This one, Ma'am Christine. I don't know what it calls. This one? This one is actually $20 on sale. $20 on sale, Ma'am Roxana. This one has 2 sling. I mean, it's okay. I understand naman yung mga gusto talagang magkuan kasi hindi daw same. Actually, hindi naman tayo mag-expect na same siya kasi it's replica. It's not the same. It's not the same. Anong GG20? Uy! Oh my... The planner is $20, mga mi. The planner. It's not the GG. Hoy! Hoy! The planner is $20. Ay, Diyos ko. Nasyokera ako sa inyo. Mine GG20. Ano 20? Diyos ko! The planner, no, ma'am. And this is your planner already. Ma'am, si Ma'am Roxanne po ang nauna nito, ha? Baka meron namang... Jel, ikaw nagkamali ka, sabi mo GG20. Hindi, sabi kasi sabi ni ma'am, yung GG, kaya pinakita ko yung GG. And then, sabi ni ma'am, 25. Nag-comment ng 25. Sabi ko, actually, this is 20 yung planner. Okay? Nakakaloka kayo. Na-stress ako. Sabi ko, oh my God. Charit. Wala lang. Okay. GG. And, ano ba yan? Ito. Okay, this one. Wala bang may-ari ito? Ay, meron. Shucks, green. Si madam pa naman to. Wait. Ito. Wala kay Sisi. B, can you move this one first? Because I can't. Okay, how about this one? Who wants this one? Thank you. Uy, I was just joking, ha? Walang magkukuan, ha? Joke lang yun. Ano daw, na mula, good imong... Gigi, na mula akong hasang, ay. Char. Okay, I have this one. Who wants this? The green, this one. Cuisine. Okay, I have the green cuisine. Okay. For only $55. $55. Patingin yan. Pre-order CD colorful tote large. Yes, Ma'am Sheena. Kuan na yun. Na-send na yun kay Kuan. Okay, Ma'am Cherry. Yours for the green LV bag. It comes with a box and a dust bag. Okay? Box and dust bag. Okay. This one, Ma'am She, I have another tote bag. This tote bag is a white tote bucket. Not tote. Ano ba yan? Oy, bucket bag. So, this bucket bag is white. And this is leather. Okay? This one is leather bucket. That is a leather bucket. And this one is This is the, anong tawag nito, be? Suede. Para siyang suede. Ayan, para siyang suede type na, it's like a suede type material. It comes with, like this. This is, how much is this? Okay, it looks like that. And it comes with this one. Ayan siya. Okay, this is different. So, I don't know. It's bigger than the white bag. Or it's just the same. I think it's just the same. Wait, ha. I feel like it's just the same. Yeah, it's just the same. But yeah, it's just the same. It's just different fold on this one. Kasi ito, they fold it like that. They fold it like that. Because of the box. Okay. It's $55 for this one. Mine white. Okay, yours white. Love ko yung aking bucket blue MJ. Diba ang ganda? This one is so nice. This is super nice. And this is the last one already. I've ordered the black one. I don't know who pre-ordered those black ones, but I did reorder this in black. So this is for Mom Melanie. This one is also cute. Look at that. And I love it because it's so soft when you close it. See? It's very soft when you close it. And it looks like that. It's so pretty. So just comment mine brown on this one. I love this one. So the only GG I have is this one. Yes! I have the Nano Cuisine. It's so cute, Ma'am Christine. Very nano talaga siya. Nano talaga siya. No joke. Ano ba meron ka ako to ng MJ? Bakit maganda siya, Lul? Yes! Maganda ang MJ. I don't know why, but yeah. This is the MJ. I always see this in the ads. And I'm like, talaga ba? Okay, it looks like that. Inside. Oops, sorry. And this is $85. It has 2 straps. Okay, one and nano tan, please. Okay. Can you flex the GG, Ma'am Shi, kahit meron na may-ari? Yes, pwede. May bayad, $5. Charot. Diyan, MJ, Ma'am Shi. Hindi, nagpapaflex si Madam. Nagpapaflex si Madam ng GG. Basta maganda yung mga MJ. Maganda yung quality ng mga MJ. Magaganda siya. Okay. Yan siya. Actually, may nag-mine yan. Kaya lang nagka-emergency kasi siya. Kaya. Nagkaka-emergency! Asa na yun? Ay, ito. Sige, nano tayo after, ha? This is the GG. Ayan. It's $85, mga mi. Okay. I have a lot of this. Meron pa nga ako yung solid color. Kaya lang nakuha na siya. Ayan. Ang ganda nito, promise. Very worth ang 85 dito. Para sa akin. Kasi ang ganda talaga niya. Very solid. Solid. Yes, from Divine, diba? Ganda nito. Very solid ang 85. And this one as well. You will not be like, ang pagod. Okay, this is the nano. Wait, black. Ma'am, I don't have tan. I have khaki instead. Ma'am Christine. Khaki and cream. Khaki and cream. Okay. Christine. Thank you, Ma'am Christine. Yours black, Ma'am Shi. Pedi. Yours black, Ma'am Shi. And yours cream, Ma'am Shi. Kina. Thank you so much. Dapat may bell ako, bebe. Magpalit atong bell. Ching, 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 ching. Kana na ay mag-mine. Para saba. Para mas maingay tayo dito. Mawala yung mga bad Espiritu Santos. Diba? Okay, yours for this one, Ma'am. Ma'am Kina. The cream looks like white. So sweet naman ang love niya. Oh, Ma'am Shi. Hindi kasi ako kumain. I didn't eat, guys. Kasi hindi ko alam. Whenever we have that thing, or woman thing, para tayong bagot na ano ba? Para tayong...
Ay, gusto mo ba?
Ikuan ka? Oh my God! Ayaw, ulit-ulit ang karoon na.
Nagsugot ko gapon.
Ako pod. Belt bag ka ba? Wala pa, Ma'am Shi. Pero nag-order na ako ng belt bag. Hi, Ma'am Rosie! How are you? KitKat, can you hand me that bag? KitKat, can you hand me that bag? Right there. Padoon sana, be? LV Cousin, be. LV Cousin. I will be. Sis, will you flex black eye care I claimed? 1 second, Ma'am Shil. Be, kuasa ng eye care dito, bitura out nasa luyo. Hawa diya, KitKat. Get out of there, KitKat. Kata ka ng duha ka buhok diha o kanang itom, kanang gitabunan o kanang backpack nga mono LV. Tara ba dito tas layo. Nawa na diya. I have this one. I have this one in the mirror.
Kani ka, mama?
Ay, let me just clear off. No, the one, the black one. Is that black? That one, that 3? Yeah, that's right. That's right, girl. That's right, girl.
Kaning tulok, kaning duwa nga dagko nga baksog, kaning backpack.
Jono or the mirror? Which one you want? Ma'am Sherry. Ma'am Sherry. Okay, this is your bag, Ma'am. What's this? Russell. Speedy. Huh? What's Speedy? What's Speedy? Ma'am Sherry, do you want the mono brown or the Demir brown? The checkered one. Ano ba yan? Hindi nakukuha. Okay, this is the YSL, ma'am. Who was that? I don't have Speedy. I have the Cousin. Is it Cousin or Cousin? Cousin. Ma'am Russell. Ma'am Russell, this is the bag. The YSL bag. Okay, it is in crocodile. Caviar. Ayan. And then, it comes with a pouch. The checkered one. Okay, Ma'am Sherry, yours for the checkered one. Yours for the checkered one. I have cream available. I also have cream available for that eye care. Thank you, Jo. Give it up to me. Play with magic. Okay, yours for this one. I care. I also have beige color. I have beige color. This one comes with a box and a dust bag, okay? Alright. Let me just put it like that. So when we're in the picture, you can see it.
Kani.
The Nano Cuisine. I still have green available. And white. CC bags. Sige, padool di abutang. I have white available cuisine. Di ko asa ni bebe. Ano? $55. $60, Jo. Si I Care. This one, I have white. I have green. $55 per hour. $55 for our cuisine bags. Okay, $55 for the cuisine bags. It's $55. Okay, just comment green, comment white, or comment mono. The mini cuisines though, the nano cuisine, yes, I can pre-order that. Ibutang din na sa yun ni mo, love. Ma'am Carcel, ito siya, Ma'am Arcel, si Bucket. Any LV twist lock, the $35. Mine green. Okay, Ma'am Sherry, you already have green. Do you want to add more green, Ma'am Sherry? No. Muna nakakuha ana niya. This one, Ma'am Shi. Ma'am Arcel, this is your bucket. Hi, Sissy. Ask ko lang kung mga store entry ba yung mga bags mo kasi magaganda at mura. Ma'am Shi, some of the bags are top grade. Some are master. I don't think, yung top notch ko, I don't say store entry. My supplier always say top notch or 5.5, ganun. I don't say store entry. Cause I don't know. I don't know kasi it's green FF. What is that? Is that a bag? Yes, the expensive one. So I don't have bags that I don't want to buy bags that will cost you like $150. Because I have resellers as well. I have resellers. Okay, no, not bad, CC. Thank you. No worries, Ma'am Shi. Any more CC bags? I don't think so. I will check. I think I have. I didn't think I don't have. I think I have and I don't have. Let me check. Ma'am Marcel, green FF bag do you have? Green FF bag? What's that? Bucket? Speedy? What was that? I forgot. I mind showing the inside. Do you mind showing the inside of the green bag? Yes, of course. I can show you the inside. Be green bag daw, be. Asa si Ma'am? San si Ma'am Arcel? Ma'am Arcel, okay na ba to? Dami kong set. I said a lot. Green bag, love, to. I can show you. Okay, Ma'am Shay, no problem. I will cancel that for you. I can show you my Fendi bags I have left. I don't know. I forgot which bags are you talking about. I know it's Fendi, but I don't know which bag. So we have a lot of Fendi. Like that, I also have that Fendi's right there. Is that the one? Okay, this is the inside of the green bag. It's only $55, Ma'am Shees. Okay, how much? Which is how much? The bucket bag, Ma'am She Japan. That's $55 for the bucket bag. Nope, other style. Okay, let me show you. And also I have to check if I have CC. I don't think I have CC. Ma'am Rosanna, I don't think I have CC. I've ordered some CC, but I don't think it arrived. Let me see. I have 2 boxes coming, but I don't know if what color you like. And then I have the Fendi Classic color as well. This one is silver hardware, Mamshies. Okay, it's $45 for this one. So just comment classic, comment brown, or comment classic for this one. Is this the one you're looking for? Busy sa work. Okay, I have this. Budol kunin mo. Ay, okay. Sige, sige. Sige, pagtrabaho lang gidi ha. Sige, suportaan jud ta kanay mong trabaho ba. And then I have black. Okay, I have black. So brown, black, and classic. If you want this one, it's only $45. Just comment brown, black, or classic. Okay, next item. Next item, I have this LV. It's $45 for this LV. This is $45 for this LV. It's a 3-in-1. Actually, it's 4-in-1, but you're only seeing 3-in-1 right now. Because the other one is, it's inside the big bag. Okay, let me show you khaki and cream. Hi, Modzi! How much na Fendi sa likod ni mo? That's $50. I think $50 yan siya. This is the khaki color. And this one is the cream color. Okay. Khaki and cream. This one is the nano one. The mini, I don't know what color. But if you have picture of the item that you're looking for, send it to me. So I can send it to my supplier and see if she got it. Okay? Let me know. Okay. Who wants this one? Who wants this one? It's $45. Just comment LV. LV 45. This one is $35 only. This is $35. This is $58. It comes with a box and a dust bag. Do you have mini in green? Ma'am Pinky, I don't have mini in green. I will try to check if my supplier does have that. But for now, I don't have mini in green. Okay, can you add cream mini to mine? Cancel the planner, sis. Ma'am Roxanne, those are already sold out. The black, the cream, and the khaki is already sold out. It's already sold out. Nakuha ko ba yung online, right? This one is the brown one. The one you purchased is the light brown ba yun? Or anong color yun? Basta light brown yung sayo nakuha. And then this one is the brown one. This is the brown one. Mas darker to sa nakuha mo. Ma'am Roxanne, do you want to cancel the planner? Because Ma'am Melanie will get it if you want to cancel it. Okay, for this one, okay, let me know. Okay, for sure. Yes, apricot. Apricot pala, sorry. This one is the brown one. This is the brown one. Okay, inside, this one has furry, very cute. And then, it looks like that on the back. And it has gold hardware. And it looks like that inside. Okay. Alright, for this one, keep the planner. Okay, Ma'am Roxanne, no worries. Okay, YSL bag. YSL bag, I have this beautiful YSL bag. It's in beige color. Is it beige? Is it called beige? Beige lang kasi alam kong kulay. The only color I know is beige black. Apricot. This is apricot though. Okay, this is color apricot. Guitar. Can I planner the Can I planner they cancel? Ano daw? Wait lang. No, Mamo, they didn't cancel it. She wants to keep it instead. Ayan siya. Inside. That's how it looks like inside. Okay. It has a sling. The sling is non-removable. And I think this is adjust, is it? No, it's not adjustable. So this is a sling bag. YSL sling bag. Okay, this one is this is $58. Okay, Ma'am Roxanne, thank you. Okay, this is $58. So you can use it two-way. You can use it as your sling or your shoulder bag. Okay, this one is adjustable right here. Like that. Okay, it's $58. It comes with a magnetic bag, a box, and a dust bag. Mamshi, do you have the velvet YSL sling in brown? Velvet YSL sling? Anong itsura nun? I don't think I have that. Yeah, because, you know, yeah.
Give me a chicken nugget. No.
There. Okay, if you want this one, you can wear it two-way. So, sling and shoulder bag. Sling and shoulder bag. So, if you want this one, please comment. Please comment BB Brown for $45 on sale. $50 ito noon. 45 ngayon. Ma'am Shi, order na lang tayo, Ma'am Gia, ha? May specific bang Dior ang gusto mo? Hanapan kita, Ma'am Gia. Kasi yung mga... I actually have the Dior here. Yung isa, wala pala siyang sling. Yung black, yung red. Kaya hindi ko na lang siya in-offer. Hindi ko na lang siya pinicturean. Meron siya dito, me. Who wants this one? Bigay ko YSL Lab. Ay, kami na lang. Alright, next item. I have here a black YSL. White or red or blue. Ganun ang gusto mo, me. Do you still have the LV Mono Cuisine? Yes, Ma'am Beverly. You want it? Let me know. I will flex it for you. Can you flex the Goyard, please? Yes, Ma'am Shibi. Kuha atong Goyard. Di ka to. Katong sling na imong gikuha. Hi, Ma'am Win. This is the black version of the YSL. It's 50. Magkano yun? 58? $58. Okay, black version. Alright. Let me know if you want this. Just comment YSL black or black 58. Black 58 for this one. 58. Lagay ko lang 58 ha, kaya baka makalimutan ko na naman. for this apricot envelope bag. Okay, $50 for this apricot envelope bag. Okay, this is sling bag. Just comment YSL or just comment apricot 50. Apricot 50. Sis wallet 35 mine. Ano yung LV wallet 35? Wala, kay Ma'am Di ay. Wait lang, Ma'am Beverly ha. Kunin ko yung kuan mo. Oh Lord, help us. Ano yung wallet? Ano yung wallet 35? Ano yun? Nasaan na yung mono? Ay. Ano yung kuan ni 35 na... Ano ba yan? Ay. Sis, LV wallet 30... Ano yung 35 na wallet? I also have the black cuisine. Black cuisine. Ito siya, Mamshi. Babs, ito siya, Mamshi. Pa-confirm na lang ako, Miha. Confirm ako sa... Confirm ako dito, Ma'am Babs. Yung isang Goyard, ma'am, sa baba. Nila, family. Ay, okay. Yung kuan, Hindi ko asa itong isa ka Goyard na black. Yours na, Ma'am, si Babs. Yung si Picote, ano ba yun? This one comes with a kuan. That's $45 as well. Ay, ano ba yan? Wait, this is... meron siyang sling. Okay, if you want this one, ma'am, please comment, confirm, ma'am. Sino yun? Ma'am Wayne? Or if you want... Oh, yeah, Feliz. Kalimutan ko. Okay, Feliz. If you want this Feliz, comment Feliz and confirm Feliz or comment Feliz 45. Feliz 45. Okay, YSL bag. Ayan siya. Si YSL bag. This is a flap envelope. Ayan. It looks like... Be, how much ni siya, be? Tanawa dito sa... Ang binayang bag. Kuan, be, box. Please. It looks like that. Okay, ganyan siya. This is $55. $55 for this one. Okay, $55. Please comment YSL 55. YSL 55. It comes with a sling. It comes with a sling. Removable sling siya. Removable sling. $55. Comment 55. Comment black 55 or 55 will do. Okay? And then I do have this one. It's a black envelope bag. I don't see comments anymore again and again and again. Wait. Please up your message if I don't mention anything. Wait lang, nawawala yung message. You think I'm crazy, but not a spam. Okay. Feliz like Goyard. Ay, meron pa. Okay. Alright, I have here an envelope bag, sling bag, in black color as well. Okay, I have a black color. Please comment black 50. Please comment black 50. Please comment black 50. Comment black 50. I have this Chanel. Ay, liboy. Mga mig, get your liboy na. Liboy. Get the liboy. Hindi ng black mo pa.
Black mo na. Kaning may sir.
Be, cancel na to ang kuan, be. Green.
Aha.
Be na.
Unsi cancel.
Then, i-arrange dayo ni be. Get the liboy. Two-way bag, liboy, and ligirl. Okay, this one, I'm gonna put it on for $50. Comment CC50. Comment CC50. Comment CC50. Comment CC50. Binay green diha nga kanang nga na orange color nga box. Green ang color, cancel na. Ano pang bag? Give it for 90. And then this one is $85, the GG bag. Hi, Ma'am Renz! Unsa niingon ni ate? Ling, may nako ang Burberry mong gisuot na hat. Ay, okay, sige. Napoy cream. Gusto ka cream? White man ni siya. Napoy ko'y black. Unsay color imong gusto? This is Ma'am Rosana. Ma'am Rosana. Ay, I have a small bag, oh. Ito. Black color. I have cuisine black color. Ay, ano ba yan? Ah, kanya akong gisuot, gudi. Ay, okay. Yours na. Tanggal akong kuan. Headband. Kanina lang akong suotin. Mind cream. Anong cream ya? Anong Gucci? Cream? Burberry cream ba, Ma'am Belle? So I have this mini small cuisine in black. This is, how much is this? How much is this? Look, kano to? Wait. Kalimutan ko magkano to. Wake me up when it's all over. Okay, I'll give it for $50.